Hey guys, what's up? Jalen here, and today I'm with the part 3 of Castle Crashers. We just started at the gate. Oh. Yeah! How does nobody even notice this? Not even notice this. I did it. Oh, so now you notice.
They're guards.
Sprint and X and Y. Oh, you don't hold X to sprint, you just run really fast. Then X and Y does it like a hit in the spin thing. Nice. Why would you have a gate to another gate? Yeah, defenses. Why? I want the other guy. I don't want you. Oh. Ah! Only 4 damage? What? Ah! Ah! He's extremely hard to beat.
It's almost half health.
You mean a corridor? Oh no! No! Oh my gosh, these guys are extremely hard. Yes! Genius! Oh! Banana! Yes! Oh, the princess! Look at the princess in the purple hair! She's tied up by her face. Yes! Yes! No! Ah! Oh! Give me food. Sweet. Run!
We get a little bit more health. I think you wish you bought that potion.
Most likely, yeah. It's a possibility. Give me that food! Ow! Oh yeah, you can stab me with this stick. That attempt to help me. Yes! Regaining health. Yes!
Level 4.
Who the heck is that? Why? Oh! That's stupid! That's stupid! Why? No!
Looks like this is the ending.
Yeah, of the trial. Oh my gosh.
Wait, press A.
I guess that's it.
That was the ending.
That was Castle Crashers. Thanks for watching, I guess. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and get out. Let's do it.